Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily track pets using your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the camera in the Xiaomi Home app. Now we want to go over and scroll down until we see AI features. Here, we want to go over and go to the pet detection. Now tap on the switch right here to detect those pets, and here we can easily track pets by tapping on this switch. So once they are detected by the camera, then it will track them. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.